Ready, Freddy's?
Yeah, chiclet.
Hooray!
Let's make some chicken.
Okay.
I've dreamed about fried chicken. Well, fried chicken is like one of those smells that like I just...
Yeah.
Just intoxicating,
It's a
man.
It's a primal urge.
Just smells so good. And on my bike ride home, whenever I bike, there's the Popeyes right at the bridge, Manhattan Bridge, and then there's another Popeyes in downtown Brooklyn that I always bike past.
Always popping.
You've been pretty psyched about this recipe since you saw it, yeah?
Yeah, man. I'm excited.
She almost didn't want to do it. She's like, we could do.
Well, I was trying to get it off of that because he was like, oh, let's do meal prep instead.
I thought maybe we'll do something applicable to Theo's life rather than having to buy...
Leave me out of it.
Yeah, we're making vegan fried chicken.
Oh.
We're making Mary's Test Kitchen recipe of vegan fried chicken with tofu.
Kind of sent a shockwave through the vegan world.
Did it?
Yeah, I mean...
it looked really good. It's a bold statement to call it the best vegan fried chicken ever.
I think we need to just take a moment to appreciate Liz's outfit today.
Thanks.
A new jumpsuit.
It's the very first thing I said.
My coveralls.
Super happy.
Is it coveralls or a jumpsuit?
I don't know.
It's a romp.
It's a romper, that's what it is. Yeah, that's
Well,
the best word.
kind of, but it's also like utility coverall style. You know, it's not like...
romper.
Yeah, utility romper, sure.
And Liz, you were just struck by the need to have one of these?
Yeah.
I think that's like great.
Yeah.
Yeah, it hangs off your shoulders.
Yeah.
Like, very nice.
Chill, one piece.
Honestly, I was like kind of mad that I didn't have one once I saw you wearing it.
Yeah, I bought another one at a thrift store in Arkansas too.
Oh, you did.
You want to put it on, and then we'll be the coverall buddies.
Well, yeah. Because I was. The problem of me not wearing romper would have just.
The
Wow.
world now.
How do you feel?
As good as we look.
Yeah.
It's complimentary.
The news
Found it.
duo.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's make some chicken stuff.
So the tofu, I guess Mary found out that the texture of the tofu really gets altered when you freeze and thaw it. So it's a method of freezing, thawing, freezing, and thawing again.
Have you ever cooked with tofu before? Of course you have, yeah?
Yeah, but I've botched it almost every time. It gets too soggy and.
Oh, maybe you're not pressing.
Really not. Is that what you have to do?
Yeah, you gotta get the water out.
Oh.
Nice little light pat.
Dry. Dry like the deserts of the Gobi.
It doesn't really look the same as it does in her video, but
How's it look in her video?
it looked flaky, like layer flaky.
Did we get the right kind of tofu?
I don't know, did you get the...
I got firm.
Is that what it said, or did it say medium?
It said medium or traditional.
Okay, that's fine. This is looking fine. Now we gotta make our dredging.
Some good stuff.
Have you worked with vegan egg before?
No.
It's got algae in it.
Algae from the ocean?
Yep.
Wow.
This is a gluten-free baking flour.
We should get Bob's Red Mill to sponsor us.
I wonder if they do that.
I love Bob's Red Mill. Don't you want him to be your grandpa?
Do you think Bob and Bob Ross are the same person? This is the flour mixture that we're gonna dredge the chicken in. Flour, salt, onion powder, garlic powder, white pepper. I'm going to turn on the oil now. Okay, now we are going to take all of our little chicken pieces. We're gonna pour the chicken stock over it. So we're reintroducing liquid to the bits.
Huh. So is that just kind of a flavor thing right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the bits, dip them in the flour, and then just put them back on here.
Did you just eat one?
Yeah.
How was it?
Pretty interesting.
With the flour on it? I don't want to try it with flour on it. No.
All right, I'm the weirdo. So now we're taking Rice Krispies and we're gonna put them in the flour, and now we're gonna crunch up. You wanna crunch it up?
With what?
Your fingers.
You like that?
You don't need to crunch them all up, yeah.
Why?
Because you want a little bit of Rice Krispie
We
texture
want a
to it.
little crunch?
Yeah.
The oil sounds like a Jamaican steel drum band.
Is it hot?
No! You are bananas. Oh, God. at the toughest point of frying it now. This is where it will make or break it all.
The scariest point.
Yeah.
We're gonna start off with this little guy. Whoa.
How's it look?
You should check that out. It's freaking cool.
That went better than expected.
Yeah.
Look at it.
Did you just spontaneously erupt?
It appears so.
Like it got a little pocket.
Ooh, it's definitely crisping up.
You're good at this, man.
Fry
Thanks.
master.
Did you used to work in a kitchen?
Yeah.
I'm glad we have you around. We would have burned the place down by now.
No, we wouldn't have. Can we try it? Or are we gonna wait?
I don't care.
Still pretty hot.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm surprised at how much the chicken flavor comes from. A little more seasoning might be good.
I'd say the texture is like a half step down from being firm enough for it to be chicken. You know?
Yeah.
It's not like tofu soft, but it's not
It's
like
in the
chicken.
middle.
Yeah. But yeah, like it kind of had like a KFC kind of chicken vibe
Yeah, totally.
with like all the spices.
Do you think you could tell the difference between KFC chicken and Popeye's chicken and Chick-fil-A?
No. I
I
haven't
could.
eaten that stuff in a while.
Do we have barbecue sauce?
No.
Want me to go get some?
Yeah, I want you to go get some.
All right, I'll get Liz a kombucha.
Okay.
What's this shit over here? Cyanide and multigreen? Look at that, look in here. Look at that. What are you feeding me?
It's fermented, so it's like
So it's really good.
slight alcohol content. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding,
Have you tried this one?
no.
Whoa.
I don't like spicy. You could try this one though.
This is great. Give me that barbecue sauce.
So
Let's see what this is all about.
do you approve? Barbecue sauce expert?
Organic, sweet, and spicy. Oh, it's made with goodness. Thank you for adding that. 8 grams of sugar in a serving size of 2 tablespoons.
Is that a lot?
8 grams and 2 tablespoons of this barbecue sauce.
Duncan.
Not quite so much salt, please.
Oh no, I used to do them on both sides, and now we're just doing a little bit on one side.
You salt fiend.
I can't help it. I'm a fiend.
Well done, gang.
Uno más. Well, this kind needs to be fat.
Wow.
Here's a nice, not too salty piece for you.
Wow.
Yeah.
I just can't get over how good they smell.
You want some barbecue sauce?
And look.
Yeah.
Cover me with the bar. God dang it, nugget.
Thank you.
Of course.
Oh no.
Crisis averted.
Mmm.
It's good with the sauce, right?
I like that barbecue sauce.
Yeah. I like it. It is sweet and spicy at the
Yeah.
same time. It's very correctly advertised.
Yumsville. Can I have some more of that?
Yeah, the birding's really great. It's like light and crispy. Nicely seasoned.
This one is the closest to chicken that I've had. Yeah, I don't know. This is like the best one I've.
Yeah.
That
not-
particular nug?
Yeah, it's.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh.
So yummy.
Why does it have to be gluten-free flour?
She says it just gives it a nice crispierness to it.
Are fried foods bad for you? Just because they're
think so.
fried?
Oil.
Is the
Yeah,
oil
and
still in
everything.
there?
Yeah. So it
I
just
don't-
seeps in further.
I don't
It's not
see-
like we're
I don't-
squeezing it
I
out.
don't see any oil.
Yeah.
Me neither. You're right. This is basically as good for you as some kale.
Yeah, okay. I enjoy working with tofu versus chicken. That's slimy. Like,
Yeah.
you're totally used to it if you do it all the time, which
Yeah.
I was.
Yeah. But you see all the bones and the tendons, and you're like,
Yeah, it's kind of just like, I'd rather deal with the sponge here.
Right. So we want to say thanks to Mary and her channel,
Yeah.
awesome channel, Mary's Test Kitchen, for discovering
Absolutely.
this. Since you were so in love with fried chicken, right? So how do you feel about this experience?
It's close. It's like 90% there.
Yeah, I would agree.
Yeah.
Like, so close.
Yeah. Yeah.
But it was only because possibly your error,
Yeah.
to begin with.
Probably so. Yeah, probably so.
Your
That
error
10%,
in
could've-
picking the tofu.
All right.
I double checked Mary's recipe. She recommended 3 brands of tofu: Sunrise, Soya, and TNT. Couldn't find those anywhere, so I had my brother go to the Korean supermarket and got Sunrise. So now she says to get medium or traditional, and there was absolutely none packaged that said medium or traditional, so we decided to go with Fresh Smooth. Already I'm feeling a lot better about this. You see the little flakiness versus the crumbliness that we were getting?
Yeah,
You see how different this is compared to the other stuff?
that's much closer to what she was showing.
Yeah. Look at these nuggets! The moment of truth.
Oh,
Ooh.
looks good. Oh, that's yummy. The texture is different. It's still a little soft.
Yeah. But the texture is a lot better.
Oh, yeah, I could eat 100 of those.
I think upping the chicken bouillon as well.
Good call. All right, you gotta be honest now, okay?
Okay.
So good.
That is so good. Oh my god. Look at the texture of that.
Yeah.
How did you get the tofu so...
The
It's the freezing and the thing and the thing. This is bomb.
It is really good.
Bomb.
And the
The seasoning.
so yeah.
This tastes like fried chicken.